stand the fuck up. These racist fucking backwoods inbred freaks are not the ones who get to determine what it means to be patriotic. Sorry. Like, these fucking people, these KKK members and their trad wives are not the ones who get to determine what an American is. It's just like when Tim Walz started calling MAGA weird. And that was really powerful because it shifted the narrative. Why did it shift the narrative? Because it suddenly turned them from an in group to an out group. Ew, they're weird. Freaks. Okay, use your sphere of influence as a cool black American and start calling these niggas lame, because they are. You're lame and weak as fuck. Use your sphere of influence. And that's why so many people are so woefully misinformed about what's going on today and what has been going on this entire time. And that's why you've got a whole bunch of grown-ass adults being like, I'm scared that the United States is falling into fascism. Bitch, where the fuck have you been? We have always been fascist. Wake the fuck up. Welcome to the conversation. Look who finally showed up.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!
Leave black people alone.